Is your facility facing overheating challenges? At Paratus Rentals, we provide reliable cooling towers to tackle excessive heat buildup that can disrupt your operations. Whether it's for emergency repairs, planned maintenance, or seasonal demand, a cooling tower is critical for efficiently removing heat and keeping your systems running smoothly. Our cooling towers don't just work alone. They can be seamlessly paired with our water-cooled chillers to supercharge your cooling capacity, making them ideal for industrial processes, manufacturing facilities, or large-scale HVAC systems. Don't let excess heat slow you down. Cooling towers are designed to prevent equipment failure, reduce energy costs, and maximize system performance. No matter where you are in the country, we offer fast delivery and 24/7 support. Paratus Rentals is your trusted partner for reliable, temporary cooling solutions. Paratus Rentals, your solution is only a search away.